Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Daniel and we're making an app. Okay, I'm here with Maya. Maya is going to be introducing herself and she's going to be introducing the app while I go ahead to type. Maya is up next to you.
Hi, everyone. It's lovely to meet you all. I'm Maya, and I'm thrilled to be working with Daniel on this piano app. I'm here to offer ideas, get thoroughly confused, and hopefully make the process a little more fun. Let's build something cool.
Okay, so we have three files index.html, main.js, and style.css. I'm starting with the index.html so that we can build the structure, right? So you can just give them a little glimpse on what the index.html is while I prepare the structure.
All right, so the index.html is basically the skeleton of the whole thing. It's where you define all the elements, the containers for the keys, the buttons, everything visible on the screen. It's going to give the browser something to work with and tell it what goes where. Think of it as the blue. What are you planning to put inside that blueprint first?
Okay, are you done? Yeah. Now, I think a lot of people have asked me what's the difference between an element or and a tag. So I think this is a good time. Maya, can you just help explain what it is while I still work on the structure? When I'm done, I'm going to see what I am doing.
Absolutely. Okay, so a tag is what you actually write in the code, last like depths for 20 for paragraph or dabs for division. An element is everything from the opening tag to the closing tag, including the content inside. So, dabs per 20, this is a paragraph. The whole thing is the element. And that and ubfe and umfe are the tags. Tags create elements. Does that make sense?
Okay, so we can say tags create elements. Is it more like the code structure? Elements is more like what is visible on the page and um tab, okay, visible or not visible, because some elements might not be, but part of the things that comprise that make up the web page, all the things that make up the web page are the elements. Then the code we write are the code we write in the HTML are the tags to produce those elements. Is that also?
Exactly. You're nailing it. You've got a really solid grasp of the difference. It's not just what you see, but everything that makes up the structure.
Okay. Okay, so
So,
Maya, I have the structure here. The structure is basically what we did before. So you can, if you can remember, you can just go through it, or if you want me to remind you, I can. Okay.
remind me quickly. My memory's good, but a quick refresh always helps. Just a quick rundown of the main containers you've got set up in the HTML.
Okay, so we have I have the title. Let me just fold everything so that I can unveil them. So we have the header where it contains the title, okay, which is the piano app. Then the link to the style sheet, which is very, very important. Okay. Um, I keep getting this thing disturbing me. Okay, so we have the
Oh,
link to the style
title
sheet.
set.
Okay, so let me just finish.
Cool.
That's for the head. That's for the head. Then for the body, we have the link to the JavaScript. Then we have the parent container, which is the piano. The parent container is going to contain two extra containers, two children, the buttons and div the keys. Okay, so inside the keys, we are going to have two children again, the white keys and the black keys.
All right, that's a clean structure. Parent piano div containing buttons and keys, and then those further divided into white keys and black keys.
Okay, so
Sounds solid.
can you just
What's next on your list?
explain why this structure is going to be easy and nice for styling?
You're absolutely right to think ahead about styling. Separating the white and black keys into distinct containers will make it way easier to apply different styles to them without affecting each other. It's smart to build that flexibility in from the start. You're thinking like a designer already.
Okay, so very good. So we are going to actually stop here so that we can start because I want to dynamically inject the keys into their containers from the JavaScript. Now it makes it a little bit easier to play around with the numbers and increase the number of keys. What do you think?
Excellent idea. Using JavaScript to dynamically inject the keys will make it way easier to modify the number of keys later on. That's a really good design decision. So you're thinking of using JavaScript to create the actual HTML for each key and then appending it to the containers?
Yes, that's what I want to do.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, we are not going to be doing that in this video, so we're going to be doing that in the next video. Okay, so Maya, it's time to
Ah,
say bye.
oh, all right. Well, that was a productive session. You've got a great structure laid out now. Sounds like you've got a clear plan for adding the keys dynamically next time. I'll be here when you're ready to tackle that. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Anything else before you go?
No, not really. Bye.